Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to prove the perimeter-based area formula for a triangle. Here we have a triangle ABC. The perimeter of this triangle is A plus B plus C. We use S represents half of a perimeter, so 2S equals A plus B plus C. As long as we know the perimeter of a triangle, then we can calculate the area of this triangle based on the formula square root S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Today, I want to show you how to prove this formula. As we know, the triangle area can be written with the sine formula, which is 1 over 2 times A times B times sine C. So 2 times triangle area equals A times B times sine C. Then we square on both sides of this equation to get 4 times triangle area square equals A square times B square times sine C square equals A square times B square times parentheses 1 minus cosine C square. Here we use the formula sine C square plus cosine C square equals 1. Right away, we will record this formula C square equals A square plus B square minus 2 times A times B cosine C. If you don't remember this formula, we will prove this form in our other video. From previous slide, we already know that 4 times triangle area square equals A square times B square times parentheses 1 minus cosine C square, and C square equals A square plus B square minus 2 times A times B cosine C. So we can get cosine C square equals parentheses A square plus B square minus C square parentheses square divided by 4 times A square times B square. Then we plug this form into this equation to get 4 times triangle area square equals A square times B square times parentheses 1 minus parentheses A square plus B square minus C square parentheses square divided by 4 times A square times B square. After simplified, we get this expression equals 4 times A square times B square minus parentheses A square plus B square minus C square parentheses square divided by 4. Now if we treat 2ab as one term and A square plus B square minus C square as another term, then we can get x square minus y square equals x plus y times x minus y. So this expression can be written as 2ab plus A square plus B square minus C square times 2ab minus A square minus B square plus C square divided by 4. However, the first 3 terms can be written as A plus B square, and these 3 terms can be written as minus parentheses A minus B square. Then, in this expression, we have to use this equation again. So we can get A plus B plus C times A plus B minus C times c plus a minus b times c minus a plus b divided by 4. As we know, a plus b plus c equals 2s. So we can have 2s times a plus b plus c minus 2c, because we add 1c, so we have to minus 1c. Then it becomes minus 2c. Similarly, in this term, we add 1b, then we have minus 1b, so this becomes minus 2b. In this one, we add 1a, then we have to minus 1a. So in this form, we have to minus 2a. Then this expression becomes as 2s times 2s minus c times 2s minus 2b times 2s minus 2a divided by 4. Then we divide 4 on both sides to get triangle area square equals 2s. Here we take the 2 out of this parenthesis, so we get 2 times s minus c. Similarly, this term becomes 2 times s minus b, and this term becomes 2 times s minus a divided by 16. After simplified, we can get s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c. So the triangle area equals square root s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c. In today's presentation, the taking away is 2 equations. C squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine c, and x squared minus y squared equals x plus y times x minus y. Thank you for watching.